Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ever wondered how to make your walnuts taste even better? It's surprisingly simple, but a quick roast or toast can truly transform them. Cooking them really brings out their deep, nutty flavor, making them far more aromatic and intensely delicious. It also gives them a wonderful, crispier texture, which is perfect for snacking on their own or adding to a variety of dishes. You'll find this small step makes a huge difference. The oven is a fantastic way to cook walnuts, especially if you have a larger batch. Start by preheating your oven to a moderate 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, spread your walnuts in a single, even layer on a baking sheet, making sure not to overcrowd them. Roast them for about 7 to 10 minutes, stirring halfway through. Always keep a close eye on them, as they can quickly go from perfect to burnt. They're ready when they smell fragrant and look slightly darker. For a quicker method, the stovetop is your friend. Place a dry skillet without any oil over medium heat. Add your walnuts in a single layer, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Stir them constantly to ensure even toasting and prevent burning. This method is much faster, usually taking only about 3 to 5 minutes. They'll start to release a lovely, nutty aroma when they're done, signaling they're perfectly toasted and ready to enjoy. Once your walnuts are cooked, you can easily enhance their flavor even further. For savory dishes, a tiny pinch of salt can really make them pop. If you're going for something sweet, a drizzle of maple syrup or honey right after cooking can be delightful. You can even toss them with cinnamon sugar for a quick, delicious snack. These toasted walnuts are incredible in salads, sprinkled over oatmeal, or added to your favorite baked goods, giving them an amazing crunch and flavor boost. After cooking, it's really important to let your walnuts cool down completely before storing them. This step prevents condensation and helps keep them wonderfully crisp. Once cooled, place them in an airtight container. You can store them at room temperature for about a week, or in the refrigerator for up to a month for longer freshness. Enjoy the amazing flavor and texture of your freshly cooked walnuts in all your favorite dishes, or simply as a satisfying snack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.